Forecast weather of today, October 8, 2024, for the country as of 3 o'clock this morning. The low pressure area was estimated based on all available data at 305 km west of Coron, Palawan, 12.2 degree north and 117.4 degree east. Tropical depression was estimated based at 2,650 km east-northeast of extreme northern Luzon, with maximum sustained winds of 55 km per hour near the center with gustiness of up to 75 km per hour with movement of northward at 15 km per hour. For Bicol region and Quezon, cloudy skies with scattered rain showers and thunderstorms caused by easterlies, and there is a possible flash flood and landslide due to moderate to at times heavy rains. For Ilocos region, Cordillera Administrative Region, Cagayan Valley, and Aurora, partly cloudy to cloudy skies with isolated rain showers or thunderstorms caused by easterlies, and there is a possible flash floods or landslide during severe thunderstorm. For Metro Manila and the rest of the country, partly cloudy and cloudy skies with isolated rain showers or thunderstorm caused by localized thunderstorm, and there is a possible flash floods or landslide during severe thunderstorm. For forecast of the wind and coastal water condition of the country, for northern Luzon, central and southern Luzon, the speed of wind is light to moderate and the direction is from northeast to east. For the coastal water condition is slight to moderate from 0.6 to 2.5 meters. For Visayas and Mindanao, is light to moderate and the direction is from south to southwest, and the coastal water condition is slight to moderate from 0.6 to 2.5 meters. For the rest of Luzon, light to moderate and the direction is from southwest to south, and the coastal water condition is slight to moderate from 0.6 to 2.5 meters. For Ormoc City weather, the temperature is 32 degrees Celsius, humidity will make high and feels like 40 degrees Celsius, and the ultraviolet index is low, and the wind speed is 0 km per hour, and the humidity is 78%. Sunrise is at 5:33 this morning and it will set at 5:30 this afternoon. This weather information is from Pag-asa official website. For Once Channel Daily Weather Report, this is Melbourne Lorente, an intern of JFOF Construction, studied at Ama Computer Learning Center of Ormoc, saying, Hugot bisdak, lami ang higugma pero mas lami makahuman og eskwela.